Welcome to the Deep Dive, where we try to cut through the noise for you.
Get you informed.
Exactly.
Ooh.
So today, we're plunging into a pretty interesting mix of personal care and wellness.
Right, tattoo aftercare specifically.
Yeah, we're looking at the Hustle Butter CBD Tattoo Balm. Lots of buzz around it. So if you've got ink, or you're just curious about what actually works for healing, well, this deep dive is for you.
And here's the interesting part, maybe the tricky part. CBD topicals, they're kind of in this weird regulatory gray zone.
Okay.
Companies can make claims, without needing direct FDA sign-off. That's important context.
Definitely.
But on the other hand, the original Hustle Butter, it's got a solid 13-year reputation. That's not nothing in the tattoo world.
True. That's a long time.
So adding CBD, is it like a genuine upgrade, a natural next step for better healing?
Or just a way to charge more, a cash grab.
Precisely. That's what we need to figure out for you.
Okay, let's unpack the CBD bit first.
Yeah.
What's in it? We're talking 500 milligrams of pure CBD isolate.
Right. Pure isolate. So absolutely zero THC.
And that's packed into a 5-ounce tub.
Yeah. And that 500 milligram, that's actually, well, it's substantial. It's a real concentration.
Unlike some others.
Exactly. A lot of CBD topicals out there have, frankly, pathetic amounts, like barely enough to do anything. This isn't that.
Okay, so this is a real dose.
You're getting something potentially effective here, not just a marketing gimmick amount. It's a key difference.
And the company itself, they make some pretty compelling claims. Things like muscle comfort.
Skin calming.
Right, and even helping you relax during those really long tattoo sessions.
And what's interesting is the science kind of backs this up, at least partially.
Oh yeah, how so?
Well, CBD applied topically can interact with local pain receptors, it can reduce localized inflammation, and it can provide, mild pain relief effects. So those claims about comfort and calming, they're not just pulled out of thin air. There's a plausible mechanism there.
That's good to know. But does that make it way better than, say, other anti-inflammatory creams that might be cheaper?
That's a fair question. Is the CBD doing something truly unique here, or is it riding the wellness wave?
Because the price, this is where it gets really interesting. Our sources call the price spicy.
Spicy. I like that.
That 5-ounce CBD tub. It's usually somewhere between $60 and $80.
Okay.
Compare that to the regular Hustle Butter, same size tub, which is around $30.
Wow. Okay, so double the price, essentially.
Exactly. We're talking luxury skincare prices for tattoo aftercare.
That's a significant jump. But we should also remember the base formula itself, the original Hustle Butter, it's solid, really solid.
Right. It's vegan, petroleum-free.
Dermatologist tested. They've kept those vegan and cruelty-free certifications, no phthalates, no synthetic junk. It's a clean product to start with.
And people do seem to love the feel of it. Users consistently praise the texture, how well it absorbs. The big thing seems to be that it doesn't leave that greasy film, which is huge for new tattoos, right?
Yeah.
Don't want something suffocating it.
Absolutely. You need moisture, but not clogged pores or something that traps bacteria or sticks to your clothes.
Yeah, one person even said they were relieved it didn't feel like they'd, quote, dipped their arm in olive oil.
That's a vivid description, and it points to good formulation. Plus, it's genuinely versatile.
Beyond tattoos.
Yeah, it actually works pretty well as just a general muscle rub, or for really dry, unhappy skin, even as like a heavy-duty lip balm.
Huh. Well, at $80 a tub, it better be versatile enough to also file your taxes.
Maybe not that versatile. But look, connecting this back to the listener, to you, when is this premium price actually worth it?
Good question.
If you're getting large-scale work done, like a full sleeve or a back piece, or if you know you have super sensitive skin that reacts badly to other stuff, then this product, with its real CBD concentration and proven base formula, it probably does deliver extra comfort and good healing. It might genuinely be worth the investment for you in those cases.
But conversely,
if you're just maintaining tattoos that are already healed, or you got a small, simple piece, the regular Hustle Butter is likely perfectly fine. Does the job well.
So basically, save your money for more ink in that case. Don't splurge on the premium aftercare you don't really need.
Exactly. Choose based on your actual need.
Okay. So what does this all mean for you, the listener? I guess it comes down to thinking about how you evaluate claims, especially in these, less regulated wellness areas.
Right. How do you personally weigh the potential benefits, the actual relief you might feel, against that pretty hefty price tag for what is ultimately specialized self-care?
Something for you to think about.